Hey, this is Justin. Today we're going to be going over how to replace a broken twin point. Now, the twin points are not supposed to break. They break when people are pulling shut with the handle. You don't want to do that. That's why we have a pull handle. You want to pull on the pull handle and lock. But sometimes people forget and they just want to get the door shut. They'll pull on this and they'll break it. So if it is broken, you need to call us and either get another one sent or have one of our service techs come and do it. I'm going to show you here how to replace it. So first step is you want to have it open. You want to have it horizontal to the glass. You then want to remove these two screws, but do not pull the twin point out. You want to pull it out just enough to where you can rotate this. Then you just want to take one of the screws and put it right back. Not all the way, just enough to hold it there and remove the twin point. What that does is there is a spacer preventing the internal mechanism from coming too close to the stud, which would cause bending in the rods. We like to keep everything center in there. So this spacer can fall if you do not keep something holding it. It can fall down, then you have to take the panel down and that's a whole new mess. If they send you one that's too long, you want to cut this down. The pin itself needs to be about 1.5 inches to 1.75 inches long and it'll fit perfectly. Now, the spot that usually breaks, the part of this that usually breaks is actually the pin itself. And that would stay in. If you were to remove the twin point, the pin will get stuck in there. So you might need some pliers or something, and it might be pretty far in there to just pull them out. But you want to make sure the screw is in there to prevent anything from dropping down. I already have this one cut to 1.5 inches. I pulled out the broken piece, let's say. Now all I have to do is do the reverse of what I just did before with the screw still in. The internal mechanism is a perfect square where this will fit. You just want to stick it in, try to find it to where it pushes all the way in. I like to hold the screw that I just put in to make sure it doesn't go anywhere. Now I'm in. So I need to remove this screw, keeping pressure on the twin point itself. I need to rotate, push it in, just like that. Now, all I have to do is just re-screw it. Make sure they're nice and tight. And check. It should be very smooth. It should go all the way vertical, completely horizontal. Again, horizontal is open, so you just want to make sure it locks. And it does. So you never want to pull on the twin point, use the pull handles, but this is how you replace a twin point just in case.